Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sunshine. When the sunshine bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review on a wand curler that was sent to me by the company Helen of Troy to just give my honest feedback about. So if you are interested to see how this wand curler is and how I use this wand curler, then all you gotta do is keep watching. So I've never used a wand curler before, so I thought it would be perfect timing for me to use this wand curler since my hair is straightened. My hair has been straightened for about 2 weeks, and instead of me doing it myself, I got it professionally straightened. And if you want to know why I got it professionally straightened, I'll have a link to the video I did explaining it all to you, so if you want to check that out after this video, then feel free. So the wand curler that I'm going to be using today is by Bedhead TIGI from their Curlipops line, and it's a 1-inch tourmaline ceramic tapered styling iron. It says no kinks allowed, just curls and waves, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I think it is really, really fitting because it looks just like a lollipop. See? And it is hot pink, which I really, really love. So some of the features listed about this wand curler is that it has tourmaline ceramic technology, clamp-free wrap, and a Go design, a tapered barrel, dual voltage, high heat up to 400 degrees. Has rapid recovery, cool tip, and there's a bonus. They include a heat protective glove, and there's also like a 2-year warranty that comes with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Okay, so I managed to open the back of it, and before I opened it all the way, I just wanted to kind of show you how it came packaged. So this right here is, I'm assuming, the little glove. Yes, a little heat resistant glove. And it also includes the instruction booklet here. And this is how it is packaged inside here. So everything is finally out of the packaging. This is what the wand curler looks like. And I really, really like how the pink is more like a metallic pink. And what I like about this is it has the little stand attached to it so that it's easier for you to set down on your counter, and it won't burn your counter. So they're included in the package, it says, caution, do not touch the hot barrel with gloves. It says heat protective glove is intended to protect fingers and hand from incidental contact. So prolonged exposure of glove on heated barrel will melt onto the barrel. So that is definitely good to know. Alrighty, so we're just going to go ahead and attempt to do these wand curls. Like I said, this is my first time ever using them, so this is going to be an interesting experience. Currently I have my hair in 2 flat twists, and I just kind of put them up in a bun type thing. So just gonna take that loose really quick. And I must say that y'all, my hair has really, really lasted a long time, much longer than, you know, if I would have straightened it myself. And but I will say that I do miss my curly hair, and my scalp is starting to get a little itchy. So so I will be washing my hair next weekend. And I really do miss doing my curly hair. Straight hair is cool, but you just have to worry about, you know, oh my goodness, I don't want my hair to get wet, or let me make sure I, you know, get my umbrella, make sure I, you know, it's just, you know, just so much that goes into preserving straight hair versus your curly hair. You know, if it gets a little wet, you know, it's okay. If you want to go to the gym and get your workout on, you know, it's okay. So this is my hair now. As you can see, it kind of already does have a little wave to it from being in the twist. But like I said, my scalp is starting to get a little itchy, and I'm just ready for my natural hair to come back, y'all. Okay, so I do have my heat protectant, and I'm going to use the Mael Organics Mangango Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. And I have used this before. All right, so let's just go ahead and plug up the wand curler real quick. And I'm just going to flip it to on. And the light is green, and it doesn't have like a flashing or anything to let you know that it's like heating up. So I guess you just kind of have to do a little, you know, touch test yourself to see if it's hot enough for you to use. All right, so I'm going to put the glove on my left hand because that's the one that I'll be using to wrap around the wand curler. So I'm going to go ahead and put the little glove on. Alright, so I'm going to say that this is hot enough, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Now I have watched videos on how to do this, so let's see. Okay, so I am not going to use the glove because I can't really grip my hair that well. So here are the results of the sections that I've done so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to do the rest of my hair, and we'll see what the outcome is.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and a week and never stress a thing. Then we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up.
Okay, so I'm done curling all of these sections, and I must say for my first try I didn't do that bad. I know some of the little sections were a little, you know, iffy, but I kind of got the hang of it as I you know, as I worked my way through my hair up to the front. So I'm just going to kind of just use my fingers to go through my hair instead of using a comb or a brush. Ooh, y'all, so pretty. Yo, do y'all see this? That is so pretty. So let me know what you all think, but I really do like these results. So my overall thoughts on this wand curler is that I love it. I like the fact that the barrel is smooth on it, so when you're wrapping your hair around it and say you need to push your hair up the barrel to get the length of your hair around the rest of the barrel, that it just easily glides up, makes it easier for me to do that. So as far as the wand curler goes, I would say that there aren't really any cons, although it would be nice to maybe have the actual dial so you can see the actual heat setting that it's on, even though it says it does go up to 400 degrees. And that is pretty much it. Overall, I think this is a great wand curler if you do want to try it. And as for the heat resistant glove, I would say for me personally, like, I really didn't need it, because the end of my hair, I just kind of rested it on the hair that was already wrapped on the barrel. And instead of putting like my fingertips, I just used my nail to kind of just hold it in place. But I will say that it is a good thing that they did include it just in case. So yeah, if you all have any questions about this wand curler, just comment down below. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. It would really help me out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Smile, oh yeah. You know you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I